Hello and welcome to this review of AdsCrisp. What AdsCrisp is it allows you to create videos that you can use in video advertising on social media networks, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of click in here and just kind of get started right away. You can start a new project, and here's the different platforms that are offered. There's 7 of them, all right? We have Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just choose Facebook, and depending on which social network you choose, it's going to give you some options here so that you're creating, really depending on the placement of the video ad on the social network, it needs to be a specific size. So this way, it basically is going to create that video at the chosen size, depending on which placement you're going to run that ad. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose the square. So this is regular Facebook feed video, and it's going to be a square proportion. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click that. Now, again, depending on which placement you choose, you're going to have a variety of different templates to choose from. And you can roll over these templates and just kind of get an idea of what they might look like. Now, depending on which template you choose, as you can see here, there's different text coming in with each slide, and you'll be able to edit each of those text areas. Now, if I were to go to something like this here, you're going to notice that this text here and this text down here, it basically stays there throughout the whole video. So you don't have a whole lot of choices as far as adding different text per slide like you would with some of the other templates. So it really just depends, on what you're wanting to do. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one. And you can preview it here. It's 20 seconds long, and there's 4 different scenes. So we're going to be able to swap out 4 different images here for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and create that video. Okay, and there it is. Now, what we can do is we have 2 different images that we can use on this particular scene, and we also have 2 pieces of text. Now, as I showed you when we kind of rolled over them before and previewed them, this text here is going to stay, whatever you put here is going to stay throughout all 4 slides. So, like they kind of have here, we go up to, 50% discount, and, fitness, we'll just do fitness equipment for all levels. Okay, so they have a limit on this one for all, we'll just say in here. All right, so that's my first scene. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting some images in now. Now you can choose from your own library, and of course you can upload your own images, or you can use Pixabay. Okay, so we have some royalty-free images here, and I'm just going to do a fitness search. And I will just go ahead and just choose a few of these images here. Okay, now you can crop this images. Now this is basically the template that I've chosen because it's the square placement layout. So I'm going to go ahead and just shrink this down a little bit, slide it over, and we'll just say it right there. So then we'll just crop the image, and you'll see it adds it in right there. All right, now we have another image that we can place on here. And we'll take a look at this, and we'll do something maybe like that. Okay, and let's crop this image here a little bit. Scroll down. All right, let's try that. Okay, so this one allows you to put a little kind of corner image in it for this particular template. So let's go ahead and hit next and go to the next slide. All right, now if you'll notice, we're going to have this text is no longer available to edit on the scene because it is on scene 1. That's where we have our text. All right, so now we'll go to scene 2. We're going to pick another fitness image here. And we'll go with something like that. And let's crop it. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Maybe have the weights more so in there. All right, and our next one. It's very convenient. It's really quick to put these videos together. Let's take this exercise one here. And I'm going to shrink that down a little bit. Move it over there. Okay, and the last slide here. Let's just do some CrossFit dumbbells. That's fine. Shrink that down a little bit. Get it over to the corner. That looks good. Okay, so now we have our basically all of our scenes are ready to go. All right, now that took very little time to do. It's very simple to get these things up and going. But I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now you're able to upload your own music, okay, because there's going to be a music track to it, and it's going to want you to kind of choose. This one's 51 seconds long. Our video, as it showed, was about 20 seconds. So we're going to kind of want to take a look here and see if we have something that is close. There's a 31. That one's not too bad. We could probably go with that. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, that's fine. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and choose that as my music. Again, you can upload your own. All right, now I'm going to just start rendering. Okay, now this will take, it takes anywhere from about 2 to 5 minutes. It really just depends. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause here and just let it go ahead and render so that we can take a look at the finished product. Okay, so the video is now done rendering. I'm going to go ahead and click it, and we can take a look at it. So there's that little image I had up on top. Maybe something you even want to leave out. It's really kind of up to you. But there we see we have our video coming through our slides and looking good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to just download this, because that's really your last step, is to download it. And then go ahead and create your ad, okay, for this particular example, for Facebook. Okay, so now that I have it downloaded, I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to just show you a couple of other things because we're going to need that here in a bit. Now, there is an add-on here that's called Lockerkosh. Okay, now what this is basically for affiliate marketers, okay? Now, when you create an ad, a video ad in Facebook or whatever platform, they're going to allow you to put a URL in, right? So when someone clicks that ad, it can take them over to, whatever it is, whatever product or service you're selling. For affiliate marketers, as you know, you cannot put affiliate links in most of the social media networks. They just don't allow it, okay? So you kind of have to cloak that. And that's basically what this is. So I'm going to show you an example here. I'm just going to grab one of my affiliate links here from a past product, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in here, and I'm going to give it a title, and just call it, title is fine. And I'm going to create the locker page. That's it. I mean, it's very, very, very simple to do. Okay, now what I can do with this, I'm going to go ahead and let's see where I put this. Let's show it in the Finder here just so I know where it's at. Okay, it's in my Downloads folder. All right, so now all we have to do is basically upload this to our website, okay, or wherever we want this thing to be hosted. Now, I can go into, let's see, let me find my Downloads folder here. Okay, I've got that. I'm going to go ahead and upload that, okay, to a specific URL. All right, now it's up there. Now, if I go to that URL, yep, and I think I put it under AdsCrisp was the folder I created, and hit go. There it is. This is the actual affiliate. Now my affiliate link is cookied on this site. It's going straight to the actual sales page. Okay, now in a lot of instances on Facebook, you have to kind of run them to a bridge page. Something that doesn't have, is basically not an affiliate link. So you bring them over to your bridge page, and then the user must click, kind of like buy now, which would actually have your affiliate link in it. This way, we can actually use this right inside of any social media network. Okay, we can post this link and use this actual link that we just created right inside of our ads for users, or in the description for users to click, and that can take them over, and then that sales page would be cookied with your affiliate link. Now, this is one of the add-ons, as I've said. Very simple to use, but really convenient, especially if you're not, just leading straight to your own sales page or your own service page, something that you own, but instead of doing affiliate marketing, this works great with that. Now, with this add-on, you'll also get an advanced image editor. Okay, so what you can do is we can just do a sample here. So I'm just going to grab one. You can upload your own, of course, but you can. It's a pretty advanced little image editor. You crop things, you can rotate, you can resize, you can do rounded corners, colors, text. You can drop text. There's a bunch of different fonts here that you can choose from. So you can certainly use that text, as you see, add it there. We'll go ahead and save that. You can draw on it. Filters, there's different filters that you can apply to it, depending on what you're looking for. Kind of a fade in there. You can sharpen it, which that does not look good. Yeah, multiply. So whatever you want to do, you can play around with these filters as well. You can add different shapes, and of course, you can add there's tons of different stickers in here that you can use to apply to them as well. Okay, and you can go ahead and save that. So you get yourself a nice little built-in editor as well as as that locker cache feature. This also comes with that add-on. Now, there is a different add-on, and the reason I downloaded my video, and it's called AdsCrisp, okay? And I'm going to show you what that allows you to do as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the video that we just did, and I think it was this one. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, now if you can see now, we've added these kind of blocks here, okay, and the video is in the middle of it. This is really to grab a person's attention, right? Because we can add some things here, some text and different things, which I'm going to show you in a second, that can kind of grab their attention a little bit more than just the video. All right, so you have different backgrounds. You can do this kind of blur effect, which is kind of cool. You can have different aspect ratios, however you want to do it. You can zoom, you can fill in, change the position, and we can create what's called an overlay. Okay, now in here, we have all kinds of different things that we can do. We can grayscale, black and white, all kinds of different filters. We can draw, we can put text, we can put stickers on it. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to pick, this angry guy here. And we can drop as many, I just have to click it, drop as many of these on here as we want. Okay, so we'll go ahead and apply that. And then we can also do text. And for ours, we might want to go with white text here. So we add some text, and we're going to be, let's see, get fit today. We're going to apply that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say done. Okay. Okay, so I kind of messed that up a little bit, but we would go ahead. We can clear that. We can come back to it and clear the overlay or move this text up here if we want to. Excuse me. But basically, it's going to allow you to kind of create these overlays over the top of your actual video. Okay, and you can play the video as it's going. There's up to the discount, fitness equipment for all, and kind of these more eye-popping kind of features in here, or more text if we wanted to add more text. Or stickers or whatever you want to do at that point. At that point, all you have to do is just create the video. It will render that for you, and you will then have that to use as well, which is a different style, and it's a little bit more eye-catching, I think, kind of with that top and bottom area there. You have the video moving in the middle, and you can have additional text and kind of calls to action, or something in those areas. So as you can see, it's very, very simple to use. It's very handy, especially if you don't have anybody that can do video for you. It makes it very, very simple and very quick to create. Now, like I said, there is a couple of add-ons to this, which was that image editor and the locker cache, and you're also going to get, if you were to upgrade, you're going to get over 1 million stock images, over 1,500 stock audio. I think with the front end, it's 100, just over 100 different audio files that you can choose from. So you're going to get a lot more with that. And what you're also going to get with the first kind of add-on is advanced video ads remarketing training. You're also going to get an advanced clients acquisition module, and you have unlimited commercial license with it. Okay, so you're going to get a lot more training with this upsell as well. Now, as far as the AdsCrisp, that is an additional add-on, and what that is a template club. So you're going to get more and more templates each month if you subscribe to this particular add-on. And I believe it's 5 to 10 new video ad templates per month. You will also get, let's see here, we have you can convert for greater conversions using AdsCrisp, 5 to 10 new video ads templates per month for that particular add-on. All right, so there's a couple of different things that you can do there, but very, very simple to use. I mean, you can literally knock out one of these videos in less than 2 minutes. It's very, very simple to do. So go ahead and check in the description and go ahead and click the link and go on over and get your copy today.